Okay, so today I'm going to be making a video on how to properly record a boundary using a CFX-750. As you can see right here, this black line will be the boundary that we're going to be creating. You can't see it around the rest of it, but it is there. So to start, we're going to open up a new field. Have you finished? Yes. Create a new field. Whatever pattern type, whatever implement you want to use, that's up to you. This is important. You need to make sure you select record boundary. Here you do your client farm field. Just call this one I'll call this one video field. An event, we will call it video as well. If you're doing the record keeping, this is the time when you input all that data. Hit the green arrow, go through your standard steering screen there. Now, what's really important to make sure you actually record the boundary is usually when you come into a field, it'll look like this, or it might have your map A and B point up here as well. You need to make sure you hit the arrow to expand this menu more so you get your boundary options. And I need to do it one more time because I'm using a demo. So this is my steering setup. So I'm gonna get moving here at a pretty good clip. I'm just gonna paint so we can see where I've been. I'm gonna hit record my boundary. So we're just going to do a really simple and quick circle field here. And then when you're ready to close the boundary, it will snap. It will snap from where you started to where you finished. It will snap that remaining boundary from point to point there for you. Now, I would have done a better job, but it is incredibly difficult to actually control this just spinning an easy steer motor the way I am. So as you can see, this is where we started, and we went around in a loop, and this is where I hit the finish boundary, so it snapped this together. It put a little bend in here because of the radius or turn radius and that, but that is how you properly record a boundary using a CFX 750 Trimble display.